Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the model train setup inside the California State Railroad Museum. They have a separate section on the third floor. It's all about model trains. So you model railroad buffs, come along and let's go see their collection of model trains. And I've been here once before. They got a pretty amazing collection, so let's go check it out. So just look at these amazing layouts. Look at the detail on these layouts. Little pigs in the yard, and the truck, and the windmill, and the log flume with the very realistic water. And this is a super detailed layout too. You know, people that make these are definitely artists. And the museum has quite a collection of model railroads. These gold-plated ones are pretty amazing. Apparently there's I was talking to the guy at the museum. He says that's real gold on those trains. They're expensive enough without the gold on them. And they got all these different eras of trains. When I was a kid, I had a HO set that I ordered off the back of a Sugar Frosted Flakes box for $19.99. It was a 1976 bicentennial train, and it was actually a pretty good set for $20 back in 1976. Look at this. I love this old town and gold mine type look. I've always wanted to build a model train set like this, and I don't have the time now. Maybe in my retirement years I'll do that. There's some more memorabilia here. And some of these brands I've never heard of. The Sunoco fuel car there, tanker. This is the Chama and Toltec line layout, which I actually went to, and that's on my channel. I did not ride the train. I didn't time it right. I was just going by, but I did stop in the Chama and check it out. But look at that one, really old one. This is an amazing port with a train going through it. And just the detail on this layout is incredible. Just think of the man hours it took to make each building. And it looks like they're made from scratch. You can buy building kits, but not like this. I mean, this took a dedication to make this. It's incredible. The guy that made it calls it Smuggler's Cove, and he's from Australia. Here's a Z gauge, one of the smallest ones you can buy. You can have a little suitcase with a train set in it. And more trains, Thomas. These are N gauge, or a little larger than the Z gauge. And HO. The advantage of the smaller ones is you can have a big layout in a small area. HO takes up a lot of room to have a big layout. You need a big separate building or a garage. There's a big one there, big boy. And some Lionel. And this logging. And there's a Shay. And here's an old actual running set. And I'm not positive, but I believe this is a Lionel set because it's got 3 tracks. If I'm wrong, let me know, or it's an American Flyer possibly. So as you can see, this display of model railroads is pretty incredible here at the California State Railroad Museum. It's a whole separate floor dedicated to this on the 3rd floor of the museum. And you can see the light even got dark there. Lights adjust for daylight and nighttime. And they got these cases of really old, one of a kinds. Probably never gonna find these again. Little workshop here. Typical workshop. And these are really old Disney. And a wind-up boat. Some Lionel here. There's a depiction of a car. How a toy train works. You can just see the detail. Look at these old engines. These are awesome. So much to look at here. So I also, for Christmas, got a Chattanooga choo-choo, and you put oil in the top and it would smoke and it makes sound, and I got that in 1977 or 8 for Christmas, and I ended up selling it when I was a teenager, but I ended up buying another one which I still have just for, you know, nostalgia purposes. And I bought it at a train show. But I've never had my dream of making a model railroad train. I need more space. I need a whole room dedicated to it. I don't know if you guys watch The Sopranos, but there was one character in there that he was like one of the mob guys, and he actually loved model trains. That was kind of funny, I thought. Even got an old stove. This is one guy's collection here. And he passed away, lived a good life, good long life. More full layouts. And this is the modern trains. Hey everyone, I hope you liked the model trains that I showed you. I mean, it was just overwhelming how many they had. It brought back the memories from being a kid playing with my HO set. If you enjoy what I'm doing, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for coming on my journey today, and I'll see you next time.